The Golden Globe's red carpet, a night of glitz, glamour, and carefully crafted public personas, unexpectedly became the stage for a subtle but significant clash between Hollywood and royalty. Prince Harry, in his first major public appearance since the release of his memoir, Spare, found himself facing unexpected resistance when attempting to enforce his preferred title. The incident involved actor Glenn Powell, known for his roles in Top Gun, Maverick, and Scream 6, who reportedly rebuffed Harry's request to be addressed as Highness. While the exact exchange remains shrouded in whispers and unconfirmed reports, the incident quickly ignited a flurry of speculation and debate. Highlighting the complexities of navigating royal protocol in the modern era, sources close to the situation suggest that Harry, in his interactions with Powell and other attendees, subtly emphasized his royal status, even going so far as to correct those who addressed him by his first name. This approach, however, reportedly met with a less than enthusiastic response from Powell, who is known for his sharp wit and independent spirit. According to these accounts, when Harry introduced himself as Prince Harry, or subtly hinted at his preferred title, Powell reportedly responded with a disarmingly casual, "Hey Harry, nice to meet you." This seemingly innocuous exchange, however, carried a powerful subtext. By consistently addressing Harry by his first name, Powell not only disregarded Harry's implied request but also subtly asserted his own social standing and disinclination to acknowledge any perceived royal superiority. This incident, while seemingly minor, quickly gained traction in both Hollywood and royal circles. It served as a stark reminder of the challenges faced by the Sussexes in navigating their post-royal lives. Furthermore, some observers have pointed out that Harry's actions seem to contradict his own public pronouncements about the importance of breaking down barriers and challenging societal norms. If he truly believes in a more egalitarian and inclusive society, the argument goes, then insisting on titles and demanding special treatment seems fundamentally hypocritical. However, supporters of the Sussexes argue that they are simply entitled to the respect and recognition that befits their former positions. They contend that Harry, as a member of the royal family, has earned the right to be addressed in a manner that reflects his lineage and historical significance. Moreover, they argue that the media and the public have been overly critical of the Sussexes, often engaging in unfair and unwarranted scrutiny. They claim that the couple is simply trying to live their lives on their own terms and should be allowed to do so without constant judgment and criticism. Regardless of one's personal views on the matter, the Highness incident serves as a fascinating case study in the evolving dynamics between royalty and celebrity. It highlights the challenges of navigating social hierarchies and the complexities of maintaining a public image while also asserting one's own individuality. The incident also raises broader questions about the relevance of royal titles in the 21st century. In an increasingly egalitarian society, are such titles still relevant or do they simply serve as outdated symbols of privilege and hierarchy? Furthermore, the incident underscores the inherent tension between the desire for privacy and the inevitable scrutiny that comes with fame and public life. While the Sussexes have repeatedly emphasized their desire for a more private life, their actions, such as attending high-profile events and engaging in public appearances, inevitably draw attention and invite public commentary.